Hello everyone! Thank you for coming. I hope you enjoy watching today. Have a great day. Let us peel the potatoes. Japanese potato salad is a creamy and colorful. Potato salad is a classic side in casual Japanese cooking, used in bento boxes and garnishing dinner plates around the country. While Japan may be famous for sushi, home cooking draws from a broad palette of global flavors. This includes distinctly Japanese takes on foreign dishes like this potato salad, with a rich creamy texture that's balanced by a mild tartness and sweetness. This easy side makes for the perfect accompaniment for other home cooking classics such as karaage, tonkatsu, and chicken namban. If you're sending a pattern here, that's because potato salad is often used with fried foods in Japan. Boil an egg. Then let's slice the onions. So what makes this Japanese? First, the potatoes get cut up relatively small. This not only speeds up their cooking time, but it also makes the spuds fall apart as you mix them with the dressing. Think mashed potatoes. The reason for this is that by smashing them together with the dressing, the flavor gets evenly interspersed, ensuring you don't end up with any bland bites of starchy potato. The one downside is that it makes the texture a bit boring, which is where the other ingredients come to the rescue. Quick pickled cucumbers add an emerald green hue and satisfying crunch to each bite. I like to use either Japanese or Lebanese cucumber because they have soft skin and almost no seeds. If you use another variety, you may want to peel or seed them. Either way, it's important to salt them first and then squeeze them very well to keep your potato salad from getting soggy. Although they don't add any color, onions go in for flavor and a nice crisp crunch. I like to massage them first with a bit of salt before washing them to tame their pungency a bit. Adding carrots enrich the potatoes as they boil not only adds a splash of color, they contribute a balancing sweetness to the savory and tart potato salad. If you like your potato salad even sweeter, try adding some chopped apples at the end. Finally, some pink ham not only rounds out the rainbow of colors, but also adds a salty burst of flavor to the potato salad. You can garnish the salad with some sesame seeds or scallions, but it's not necessary. And mix. Then add mayonnaise. Mix again. Japanese potato salad is made with a colorful assortment of protein and vegetables, which gives the salad loads of contrasting tastes and textures that makes this a fun-to-eat side that's substantial enough to have as an entree as well. Potato salad ended up in Japan. Potato salad probably isn't the first thing you think about when you're naming off Japanese dishes, but it's been around for at least 160 years. It's believed to have evolved from a Russian dish called Olivier salad, which explains why it includes a high ratio of other ingredients relative to the potatoes. Since its introduction into Japan, potato salad has become a staple of Japanese home cooking, and it's often served alongside with fried foods like tonkatsu and karage. You may also add carrots because by boiling the carrots with the potatoes, it not only makes them tender, but it also brings out their sweetness. By slightly overcooking the potatoes, it makes them dissolve as you're stirring the salad together. This gives the salad a creamy texture while ensuring each bite is well seasoned. Salting the onions and cucumber tames the onions while removing excess water from both vegetables, which gives them an extra crunchy texture. Including boiled eggs, add enough protein to this that you can sandwich this and turn it into a meal.